There comes a time in life when you realize, you're not who you want to be. Maybe you're stuck in the same routine, maybe people don't respect you, maybe you don't even respect yourself. And that's when you have two choices: stay the same, or disappear and rebuild. Let me tell you something, every great transformation starts in the dark. Nobody sees the work, nobody claps for you, nobody believes in you, but that's the secret, because when you reappear, you won't just be different, you'll be unrecognizable. Step 1, go ghost mode. If you want a real transformation, you have to disconnect. Stop explaining yourself. Stop posting about your every move. Cut out distractions. Stop wasting hours on mindless scrolling and pointless conversations. Walk away from anyone who makes you feel small, who doubts your vision. Why? Because growth requires isolation. The person you are today cannot be the person you want to become. So, for now, let them wonder where you went. Step 2, rebuild in silence. While you're away, you work. You become obsessed with self-improvement. Hit the gym like your life depends on it. Study something new, read books, learn a skill, master a craft. Train your mind. Develop discipline. Build a mindset so strong that nothing can shake you. And here's the best part, nobody sees this version of you yet. Because when you return, you won't just be better, you'll be something they never expected.
Step 3. Return as a new version of yourself. One day, you step back into the world, and people start whispering. What happened to them? They look different. They're not the same person. And they're right. You're not. You don't carry yourself the same. You don't tolerate the same nonsense. You don't seek approval. You built yourself in the dark, and now you shine.
So, if you feel stuck, disappear. If you feel weak, train. If people doubt you, let them. Because the best revenge is not proving them wrong, it's becoming someone they don't even recognize. Now the question is, are you ready to change?